This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include dual power seats, air conditioning, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, leather steering wheel trim, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Todd Hunzeker Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 166 West 2nd South in Soda Springs.